Hi, fifth graders. I hope you had a great weekend. I wanted to send you another set of video directions, first to give you an update on what we're going to be doing this week, whether you are in class or at home, and second, to explain today's activity for you. So first, your update. I know initially I had told you we were going to be looking at step 2 of your pattern block project today, but I'm actually going to wait until tomorrow to do that step. So if you hadn't quite yet finished your mystery picture, you have an extra bonus day to do that, either using the pattern block tiles that you might have taken home or the digital pattern blocks that are posted to the pattern block picture posting on Google Classroom. For those of you who are coming back to school tomorrow, bring your picture with you because tomorrow we're going to be looking at finding that fractional value for each of the different pieces. For those of you learning at home, I'm going to post a set of video directions with an example of how to do this using a sample pattern block picture. I'm also going to put that video in the pattern block picture post, so if you don't have your picture totally done by tomorrow, you'll be able to look at that over the Thanksgiving holiday to complete step 2. So hang on to those pictures. We are going to do that step this week so that if you wanted to work on anything over the Thanksgiving break, you could, but we're just going to delay until Tuesday because I know some of you who are currently at home will be back in school with us tomorrow. But for today, everyone, whether you are working at home or working in school, is going to be completing a practice of all 4 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, using whole numbers. And we're going to do that with another mystery picture. So right now you can see this mystery picture is completely blank. When you open yours, you'll notice that some of the mystery picture answers are already put in there. That's because there are a couple questions that I'm not going to have you complete, either because they are the examples we're going to look at here together, or because they're a question that's a basic fact, and I know that you already know how to solve those questions. But I wanted to show you how to put in your answers to this picture. So just like before, when you type in an answer to the blue boxes, the correct answer will reveal part of the mystery picture in here. But there's also another place that you'll be able to check if you have the correct solution or not. So I'm actually going to show you a first example here with 50 divided by 5. We know that 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. But let's say we accidentally typed in the wrong answer of 11. When I type in 11 and hit enter on my keyboard, one thing happens and one thing noticeably doesn't. First, you'll notice that the box next to the 11 was colored red. That's a new addition to this one that will tell you that you have the wrong answer. Second, just like our other mystery pictures, the center box didn't reveal any of the picture. Instead, when I change this 11 to the correct answer of 10 and hit enter on my keyboard, now that box to the right turned green, and you'll see some of the pictures have been revealed to you. For the division section, there's an example right here, but I wanted to show you if you have a remainder, you're going to type in the quotient, a lowercase letter r, and then the remainder right next to it. So for example, 41 divided by 6, I know that 6 times 6 is the closest I can get, so I'm going to first type in the quotient of 6. Then I have 5 leftover pieces. To show that, I'm going to type a lowercase r and then the number 5. There are no spaces in between any of the steps of this answer. When I hit enter, you'll see the box turn green and more of the little pixels show up on your screen. So today, your job is going to be to complete whatever questions are not already solved for you in the blue boxes, and then submit this mystery picture. If you're looking for more practice after that, you can do any of the boom card reviews we've done. You can look at the iBlock challenge posts on Google Classroom. You can always use iReady, whether it's a teacher-assigned lesson, a MyPath lesson, the digital version of the textbook, those iReady learning games, or you can play on Reflex Math to practice your math facts. I can't wait to see some of you tomorrow, and again, I hope you're doing well. We miss you, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, 5th graders.